ang ulan at nagsimula na rin ang concert show ng mga scholars.
Okay, going na rin. Magandang gabi mga kapamilya! Isang gabi na punong-puno ng awitan at kasiyahan ang aming ihahandog para sa inyong lahat. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the musical sounds of the Acadremians living in full expression.
Sa pagtitinginan natin, sana ay pinamawakas itong awit ng pag-ibig. Kaya sa aming awit tayo ay magbigaya. Ang isang pag-ibig ay parang lansangan na mandalawan. Kaya sa aming awit tayo ay magbigaya.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Kami po ang Acadremian.
Ito pong palabas namin ngayong gabi ay Acadremians Concert Living in Full Expression, kung saan napaparod tayo live to live ng ating mga kapamilya.
I'd like to acknowledge the presence of our very special guests. Sila ang mga taong kumikilabis ng mga precious talents sa music industry at sila ang mga taong responsable sa pagpaprocess ng mga hit songs na nadidinig ninyo sa radyo. Ladies and gentlemen, some of the best record producers in the country.
Maraming salamat po sa pagdalo sa aming mini concert.
Maybe I don't understand just why we can't be lovers. Things are getting out of hand.
Napagawa talaga ako kasi yung music. Mawala yung music. Alam ko na talaga.
Pagawa nila na sila yun.
Ano ang parang kapantad? Pag-angry yung stage
And no matter what I do, I'll feel the pain with or without you.
Ayan po.
Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Turn Up My Heart by NSYNC.
At ang susunod naman nating performance ay hindi rin matatawaran sa kanilang magagandang komento dahil sa kanilang sexy and funny performance. Let's welcome Lizelle, Bunny, and Chris.
Oh my God.
It's a test.
Like, ito mga audience.
This is a whole effed up test. This is a whole effed up test. I can't believe this.
Thank you. Okay, present naman namin yung salamat po.
Guys,
One word. Have fun. Have fun. Have fun. What's sobrang bigay pa rin. Remember the point was super project.
Super project, no matter what, is that it's crappy, super project.
Ano, pero malili ko ngayon naman donate sa school na anong school na ulit yun? Ano yun? Living? Oh, thank you. Maraming salamat po.
Sino next perform natin? Si Miguel. Let's call on Miguel to join me here on
Po yun,
stage.
mga kapamilya.
Hi Miguel, good evening.
Hi, Lizelle.
Kumusta ka naman?
Okay naman ako. Ay,
play goodbye song.
Mamaya na, catch mo lang ako.
So much.
Oh my God, that was awesome. Guys, we have to give it to ourselves, man. What's up? What's up? I'm so proud kasi we were advised Monday night to come up with a concert and I think that okay naman po yung kinalabasan.
Ang dami-dami ko rin pong natutunan kasi once the yung situation maging ganun, yung parang mag-stop yung music during the concert or maghang yung teleprompter, tapos seeing the audience na parang mga manikin lang, parang walang emotions. At least natutunan ko po yung kung how you deal with it and lalo na yung dapat presence of mind talaga on how you do the spills.
Na-learn ko rin po na kailangan mong maging alert at any times kung ano man yung mangyayari sa isang show na ganun.
We honestly didn't know that it was gonna happen. But yeah. Wait, but guys,